SB1 funding is being used for additional work on the Marin County project, including the demolition of the old San Antonio Creek Bridge. SB1 funding will help build a planned connector between 101 and 580. Right now, SB1 funding is being used to rebuild a 5-mile stretch of Lucas Valley Road from Big Rock to Nicasio. That's a project residents have asked for years.
It's not that we didn't want to do it, it's just a severe lack of resources. Marin County has 420 miles of road that it maintains. The board puts aside $8 million per year without considering the SB1 money. And our road maintenance backlog, deferred maintenance backlog, is $80 million. So for every 10 roads that I want to do, I can only pick one. There's been a long history of transportation funding since a lot of these roads were built out west in the early 1900s. In the 90s, the gas tax was passed, but it was a flat tax. And so it didn't rise with inflation, and it didn't really provide the necessary funding to maintain our transportation infrastructure.
This year, SB1 funding helped Marin County turn the corner on that deferred maintenance.
SB1 has had a very positive impact on the county's paving program and also the city's paving programs.
And we're going to be basically pulverizing the road 4 inches, mixing it with some cement, and then paving 2 inches of asphalt on top of it. It's one of the primary connectors between the two areas. There's a lot of farms and Skywalker Ranch in the area, and with the curves, it makes it tough with traffic because you had to spread out the length, and which is why we use pilot cars. And I don't know if you can see them coming through or not, but they guide the traffic back and forth. We have a 5-minute maximum rule that you can't have a car waiting for more than 5 minutes. And when you have a wide gap like that and slow traffic and curves, it gets tough to manage that.
We're doing dig outs and base repairs. We're also doing the shoulder widening to accommodate bicycles, and then we're also doing a full-scale repaving of the entire project. Right now, some safety improvements are going in. There's a retaining wall going in. Towards the end, it was a result of some storm damage. And once that work is complete, the prep work, then the full paving is slated to take place at the end of this month.
All of this work made possible because of California's new SB1 transportation funding.
The first allocation was $1.38 million, and the second allocation is $3.8 million. And so with those allocations, we've put on the books and programmed probably 10 to 12 significant resurfacing projects that are slated to be done at the end of this next year.
Prop 6 in November would repeal SB1 funding. Marin County would lose that transportation money. There are no announced plans to replace SB1 if voters repeal it.